You must have heard flax seeds are amazing for digestion, heart health, and even weight loss. But did you know they also contain natural toxins? Yes, the same seeds that top your morning smoothie might be harmful if eaten the wrong way. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we're busting the myths and revealing the truth about flaxseed toxicity and the right way to eat them without harming your health. So, stay with us for the next 2 minutes. Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They support heart health, balance hormones, and improve digestion. But here's the twist. Raw flax seeds contain cyanogenic glycosides. When digested, these compounds can release small amounts of cyanide. Sound scary? Don't panic. The amounts from moderate consumption are generally safe. Studies suggest that consuming more than 2 tablespoons of raw flax seeds in one sitting may pose a risk, especially for young children or people with compromised health. In rare cases, large quantities of raw or improperly stored flax seeds can cause symptoms like nausea, dizziness, and even breathing difficulty. But again, we're talking about high amounts here, much more than what most people eat. So, how do you safely enjoy flax seeds? Always eat them ground. Whole flax seeds pass through undigested. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day and avoid eating them completely raw. Heat or roast them lightly. Heating flax seeds destroys most of the cyanogenic compounds. Flax seeds contain delicate omega-3 fats that go rancid quickly. So always store ground flax seeds in the fridge in an airtight container. Remember, flax seeds are not for everyone. Certain people should be cautious, especially pregnant women, those on blood thinners, and people with low blood pressure or digestive issues like IBS. So here's the final verdict. Are flax seeds toxic? Technically, yes, in large raw amounts, but should you avoid them? Absolutely not, if you eat them the right way. Flax seeds are one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Just remember, grind it, limit it, and never overdo it. If you found this helpful, subscribe and tell us how you use flax seeds. Thanks for watching.